Hi, my name is Stuart Bowser. I'm the founder of Baseweight. I also have a day job and I do all sorts of hobby stuff. So, I'm sorry for the mess. I've just been busy building, you know, robot arms and things, but that's not why I brought you here. That's not why. We're here today so I could talk about what I added to Baseweight Snap, which is the ability to load models from HuggingFace. So, Baseweight Snap was originally a demo set up for Web Summit to show that we could run a VLM on a phone, on an Android phone, because people are running VLM demos on iOS all the time through MLX and mostly through MLX. And there was a Llama demo on iOS, but it was like, the thing is iOS is its easy mode because the phones are more powerful and yeah, but getting things running on Android responsively is actually really difficult. So we're just going to run Baseweight Snap, and here we are with running the Liquid AI Liquid Foundation model, the 450 million parameter model. And we're using libmtmd here. So we're just going to go into the camera and load up my Packraft image. And just to show you running, I'm hitting the describe button, which is a brain, which is a pre-coded prompt. Can you describe this image? So this takes a fair bit of time, as we saw earlier in the earlier example. The vision tower takes more time than the actual token generation from the decoder. So this is the new model. As you can tell, it's running a little bit faster. Just to give you an idea, I'm just going to stop the generation there, and I'm just going to show you the new feature here, where we go in and we could pick. We could then switch our models over to small VLM. This was the model that we were using earlier. And then we can ask the same question. And get the same response. As you notice, this will take a little bit longer. So what's happening here is that the image is being pre-processed and being fed into a vision transformer. And as it's called the vision tower, and it takes, yeah, and this is also running small VLM, and it's actually a little bit, but you can tell the response is clearly different. So this is going to be released on Friday. I recommend people download and try it out. There is CPU mode for non-flagship phones. It's probably not going to run. It's probably still only going to really run on flagship Android devices. I am working on a Executorch version. Hopefully that'll be done before the end of the year. To basically test Executorch, since that'll be better on the battery. This is actually really poor on the battery right now. But it's running, and it just sort of shows you what's possible with visual language models on device. I hope that everyone enjoyed this video and that you check out the application. Thanks.